Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to master meal planning with just 4 simple questions. If you've ever struggled to build a meal plan that's healthy and helps regulate your blood sugar and hormones, this is for you. Alright, let's dive in. The first question you need to ask yourself is, did it have a mother? This means, is it a source of animal protein? Think chicken, beef, fish or eggs. These are nutrient-dense options that can help keep you full and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Plus, they provide essential amino acids that are crucial for muscle repair and overall health. Next up, question 2. Was it harvested off a tree? We're talking about fruits here, people. Apples, oranges, avocados, you name it. Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help fight inflammation and give you that natural energy boost you need. Just remember to keep an eye on portion sizes to avoid any blood sugar spikes. Now, question 3. Was it plucked from a vine? This includes things like tomatoes, grapes, and bell peppers. These vine-grown wonders are rich in nutrients and fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping your blood sugar in check. They're also versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes to make your meals more exciting. Finally, question 4, was it pulled out of the ground? We're looking at veggies like carrots, sweet potatoes, and beets. Root vegetables are fantastic sources of complex carbs and fiber, which help maintain steady energy levels and promote gut health. They're especially great for those looking to regulate their hormones naturally. So there you have it. By asking these 4 questions, did it have a mother? Was it harvested off a tree? Was it plucked from a vine? And was it pulled out of the ground? You can easily build a meal plan around real whole foods. Remember, the key is to focus on nutrient-dense options that support your body's needs. This will not only help with blood sugar regulation, but also keep your hormones balanced and your energy levels high. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. See you next time.